Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Hello, hi, how do you do? Hello, hi, how do you do? I am fine, I am fine, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, I am fine, I am fine, thank you. Good morning to you, good morning to you. Hello everybody, how do you feel today? Great. Oh, today we are going to learn about letter A. What we are going to learn today? All about letter A. Letter A is the first letter of the alphabet and it is a vowel. Do you remember our last lesson? We learned about pre-writing skills. So you all know how to write standing line, sleeping line, open curve, closed curve, slanting line, hump, bump, swing, hook and zigzag. Do you remember? Good job. Today we are going to learn how to write letter A, the sound of letter A and the words starting with letter A and what are the hands-on activities we can do for the letter A. Are you ready? Here we go. First I am going to show how to write letter A. There are two types of letters in the alphabet. First, I am going to show you how to write uppercase A. We can tell uppercase A, mother A, capital A. You can see 4 lines. Now, I am going to show you how to write uppercase A. You can see there are 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. Red lines up and down, 2 blue lines middle. Uppercase A, we are starting from the first red line and come down to the second blue line, a slanting line. Stop it. Go back to the top, again slanting line, come down to the second blue line. We join these 2 slanting lines with a sleeping line. One more time, starting from the first red line and come down to the second blue line, a slanting line. Go back to the top, again slanting line and come down to the second blue line. Join with sleeping line. This is uppercase A, mother A, capital A. Now I am going to show you how to write lowercase a. Around and stop. We are starting lowercase a from the first blue line and come down to the second blue line. Stop. Go back to the top, starting point. Come down a standing line. One more time, starting from the first blue line and come down to the second blue line, round and stop. Go back to the top, a standing line. This is we are calling lowercase a, baby a, small a. Do they look same? No. Even though they look different, they are making same sound. What is the sound of letter A? A. What is the sound of letter A? A. Now I am going to teach you what are the words starting with letter A. Are you ready? Listen carefully. First, I'm going to tell you about a fruit. It's a round fruit and it's a healthy food. Mostly it has a red color peel. You all love to eat. Apple. Very good. Next one. Yes. It is an insect. Tiny insect. It is very active. Mostly we can see red-brown color. Who's that? Ant. Very good. Now I'm going to talk about an animal. Oh, it's a scary animal. Yes, it has sharp teeth and big mouth and a sharp tail also. Who's that? Yes, alligator. Very good. Next I'm going to talk about a body part. What is this? Hand, shoulder. This body part helps to fix hand to the shoulder. What is this? Arm. Yes, the last one. Are you ready? Last one. I'm going to talk about a vehicle. It's going in the air. If we want to go to another country, we have to use this vehicle. It's making lots of noise. What is that? Aeroplane. Yes, good job. Now you know how to write uppercase A and lowercase a. You know the sound of letter A. Are you ready to remind all the words which we learned today? Yes. 1. Apple. Next. Ant. Next. Alligator. Yes, good job. Next one. Arm. Next one. Aeroplane. Good job. Now, time to learn a song. Are you ready? Yes, good job. Here we go. Imagine your arm, there are tiny ants are going. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. One more time. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Practice the song with your mama. Right. Now you know the sound of letter A, the formation of letter A, and the word starting with letter A. It's time to do the hands-on activity. Are you ready? Hands-on activities for letter A. The first method, we can use clay or Play-Doh and make letter A. A slanting line, again a slanting line, and a sleeping line, like this. This is mother A, uppercase A. Now I am going to show you how to make lowercase a by clay. Go round like this and stop it. Go to the top and come down a standing line. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. I hope you will practice letter A perfectly before my next lesson, letter B. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. See you soon.